हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 17 इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड इट्स इफेक्ट का समथिंग टू नो का ABCDE पार्ट। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। समथिंग टू नो का पार्ट ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। First, when current is switched on, an electric fan converts dash energy mainly into dash energy, electric energy. Second, mechanical energy. Second, when current is switched on in a room heater, it converts dash energy into dash energy, electric energy into heat energy. Third, we prefer a wire of dash for making the heating element in domestic appliances like the electric iron, electric heater, and the electric toaster. Nihrom. Fourth, a safety device based on the heating effect of current is the dash, electric fuse. Fifth, electromagnet should show repeat dash when the current is switched dash. First, magnetic field. Second, on. Part B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, an electric current can produce a heating effect but not a magnetic effect. False. Second, the heating coils elements of different electrical appliances are usually made from copper or aluminum wire. False. Third, when the current through a fuse wire exceeds its specified value, the fuse wire melts and breaks. True. Fourth, connecting many devices in a single socket is not likely to cause any problem in a circuit. False. Fifth, the strength of an electromagnet can be increased by decreasing the number of turns of its coil. False. Part C. Tick the correct option. When electric current follows through a filament of electric bulb, the filament gives out both heat and light energy. Second, a fuse wire is a wire of low resistivity and low melting point. Third, we are more likely to observe a strong magnetic effect with a current carrying circular coil of many turns hood on a soft iron core. Fourth, a common household device that uses an electromagnet in its working is the electric bell. Fifth, a good electromagnet would act like a magnet when the current is on but would not do so when the current is off. Part D. Answer the following question in brief. First, the bulb in the circuit showing in figure does not glow. Why? Redraw the circuit diagram by making the necessary change in it so that the bulb start glowing. Answer. The bulb in the circuit showing in figure does not glow because switch is in off position and the cell are not connected properly. रीड्रॉ सर्किट डायग्राम आपके डिस्प्ले पर है, इसे आप ड्रॉ कर लेंगे। सेकेंड, नेम 3 प्रैक्टिकल डिवाइस बेस्ड ऑन द हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट। आंसर, 3 practical devices based on the heating effect current are: first, electric iron; second, gassier; third, electric heater. Third, write 2 special characteristics of the wire needed for making the element of an electric heater. Answer, the 2 special characteristics of the wire are: first, it should have high resistivity; second, it should have high melting point. Fourth, give the meaning of the terms short circuiting and overloading in a electric circuit. Answer, overloading, connection of more than one device appliance to a single socket. Short circuit, touching of the live and natural wire due to the faulty insulation. Fifth, do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap? Explain. Answer. An electromagnet cannot be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap because plastics are non-magnetic materials, so it will not attract by the magnet. Sixth, state any three applications of an electromagnet. Answer. Three applications of an electromagnet are: A. Electromagnets are used in electric bells and loudspeakers. B. It is also used in mobile crane to lift and transfer heavy iron rods machinery. C. Many toys also have electromagnet inside them. Part E. Answer the following question. First, the same amount of current flow through the connecting wires and the bulb filament. However, it is only the filament that grow. Why? Answer. The metal filament of an electric bulb is usually made up of tungsten wire, which has very high resistance. Therefore it become red hot and start glowing, while connecting wire has low resistance, thus it does not heated up. Question number second. The brightness of light emitted by a bulb is observed to decrease when an electric heater is connected in series with it. Suggest the likely reason for this observation. Answer. The brightness of light emitted by a bulb is observed to decrease when an electric heater is connected in series with it because voltage across the bulb decrease as compared to the previous situation. Third, suggest an experimental setup to illustrate the action of an electric fuse. Answer. Take two nails and connect them in the circuit. So in the diagram, connect the top of the nail with aluminum wire and then turn on the switch. As the current start flowing in the circuit, the aluminum wire burns quickly. This is the way an electric fuse works. This is the diagram of electric fuse. Question number 4. A novice electrician, while carrying out some repairs in Sumit's house, tried to put a piece of tungsten wire in a fuse. Sumit's father, on noticing this, stopped him from doing so. Give reason as to why he did that. Answer. Tungsten should not be used in the fuse because it has very high melting point. A fuse should have low melting point so that I can burn up when the current exceeds the normal limit. Friends, this is level diagram of an electric bell, so you please draw in your copy and note explain its working. Now answer. When current follow through the electromagnet, it acquires magnesium and attract the armature. As the armature bends toward the electromagnet, the going in struck, but at the same time connect between armature and contact screw gets broken and the circuit gets switched off. As the current flow stops, the electromagnet loses its magnesium. It therefore no longer attracts the armature. The armature gets pulled back to its original position by spring action. It now again comes in contact with the contact screw. The circuit gets completed again. The cycle repeats itself and the gong gets struck again. This is turn again breaks the circuit. मेरी आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। कंटेंट बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगता है। आपका एक सब्सक्राइब मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट करता है। धन्यवाद।